Hello everybody, see how to make beetroot toran. Take about 1 large beetroot or 2 small beetroot and grate them in a grater. I get about 2 cups of grated beetroots. Into it add 1 large onion chopped, about ½ inch of ginger long cut or juliennes, 4 garlics sliced into half, green chili chopped. You can add up to 1 or even 2 whole green chili chopped. Heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a heavy bottom pan. Once oil becomes hot, add ½ teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. Leaves into it. Mix into it along with all the ingredients. Add about ½ teaspoon of salt. After adding salt, the water starts to leave the beetroot. Now close it with a lid and cook. Cook it in a slow flame. Just a pro tip, if you do not have a grater, just chop the beetroot into fine pieces. That will taste equally good. It is now 10 minutes. I closed it with a lid and cooked it in a very slow flame for about 10 whole minutes. At this stage, we will add about 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. Smells delicious. There are all the vegetables. We have not added any spice into it. Now close it with the lid again and cook it for another 5 minutes in a very slow flame. Alright, it's now 5 minutes. It is now ready. At this stage, water is completely dried. Check for salt. Serve with steamed rice. Garnish with coconut, freshly grated coconut. Freshly chopped coriander leaves. There you go. Delicious beetroot toran is now ready to be served. Beetroot toran is an authentic Kerala recipe and occasionally served with Onam Sadhya or any Sadhya or feast. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Please do like this video and do subscribe to Veena's Kitchen for more videos. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye.